Hi once again, and thanks for joining me. It's time for some more fun in the kitchen. I'm sure you're all aware that these Maggi 2-minute noodles are very inexpensive, tasty and very versatile to use. And there's a huge range of them. So today I'm going to use the chicken and corn flavoured 2-minute noodles to make just that, a creamy chicken and corn flavoured lunch. Once again, very easy to do. What you'll need is a little bit of water and some milk over a flame. You bring that to the boil. Okay. Into there, I'm going to add some chopped mushrooms, just finely chopped mushrooms, and I'm going to add some finely chopped shallots into there. And while that's simmering, I'm going to make a paste out of the sachet you find inside the packet. So inside the packet of the noodles, you not only have the noodles, but you have the little sachet, the flavour sachet, and all the flavour you need is right here in this. So to a little bit of corn flour and water, I'm going to add the sachet, the ingredients of the sachet. That's the chicken and corn flavoured. You make that into a little paste, okay, like that. Blend it right through, and then that'll be going straight into my milk, water, mushrooms and shallots. Then you bring it to the boil, and then you add your noodles. Now I normally break the noodles up into 4, like so. Okay, in they go. Then you bring it back to the boil, reduce the heat and simmer for about 2 minutes, and there you have a delicious, easy, inexpensive lunch. Now if you'd like your chance to win the Maggi prize of the week, just ring the phone number you see on your screen right now, and you can possibly win one of those beaut prizes. So I'll see you next week with some more fun in the kitchen. Hope you can join me. Bye for now.